If you look closely at it here, I did mention to the owner that. Well, true to my ridiculous channel and the nature of its ridiculousness, and being a little off topic, the daily needs an oil change. Yeah, still waiting on parts. Still waiting on van bearings. I got nothing. It's all cleaned up, ready to rock. But the daily needs an oil change. It's overheating the other day. I want to check the rod out. But yeah, okay, let's get to her. The doctor will see you now. Okay, let's try to get you down underneath here. Oh. Okay, where are we? Right there. You can see the bolt right there. See if I can get... I don't know how well I'm going to be able to get the camera in there. I don't fit under here like this. Oh, where's that oil pan? I can't even see what I'm looking at here. Where is it? Shit. Oh no. Oh, my arms. Oh, hang on. I gotta reposition here somehow. Alright, there we go. I think I found it. Yeah, right there. Okay, let's see how much of a mess I can make. Maybe spill oil all over my new camera. Oh, okay, well, I'm just gonna back the camera up here a little bit. There we go. You saw what I was taking off. Okay. Oh, my channel's ridiculous. Bring the container over. I tell you, I've never changed oil before and never made a mess on the floor. Ever. I've been doing this for years. I always make a mess on the floor. Yeah, and I went to a quick lube place once, and the guy stripped it out. Stripped out my nut or my oil pan bolt, and I have yet to replace it. Yeah. I can't even see what I'm doing. Probably not. Just taking that bolt off of there. Oh, let's see here. Oh, my pen is not in the right spot. I just can tell. Come on. Hey, oh, hey, there we go. There we go, there we go. Hey, I made it in the pan. I'm impressed. This little oil plug's got a little magnet on it. It'll pick up anything that's floating around. Oh man, I'm getting too old for this. You can see that fuzzy stuff on the end there. Set you up in the camera holder here so I don't get my pretty camera all full of oil. Oh shit, there it goes. Okay, hang on. Yeah, so most of these are magnetic. It's a magnetic drain plug. can see all this stuff that comes off of there. Yeah, that's typical. You're gonna get a little bit of metal floating around in there. Nothing too, detrimental to the engine. Okay, now get the filter off. And then we go onto the side to get the oil filter, which I don't know if you're gonna be able to see it. Let's see if I can get a light. Okay, I got a light. You see the filter up there? Now is the fun part of getting that filter off of there. One time I ever went to a quick lube place, and I'll never do it again. The guy over-tightened my filter. I had to pound a hole in it with a screwdriver to get it off. And my drain plug. He put the drain plug on so tight that I could barely get it off. And there goes my flashlight. Let's see if I can remedy that situation here. This is hard to do with one hand. Alright, there we go. Can you see? You can see my exhaust. Ah, yeah, there's the filter right there. Put it up here, maybe? Without touching them crusty old brake lines. Yeah, there we go. There we go. Coming off of there. Oh, these are always so hot. And you always want to change your oil with an engine hot, which really sucks, because then everything underneath the here is hot. See if I can't burn my arm with some scalding oil. Oh, let her drain a little bit. Let her pee a little bit. So there's lots of controversy on the internet about who likes what filter and what filter you shouldn't run, and a lot of guys don't like the Fram, and some guys like the Wicks, and I don't know, I've always run Fram. This is a special, it's called an XG. It's made for synthetic oil, and this old girl gets only the best. She only gets full synthetic oil. But, I don't know, I've never had an issue with the Fram filter. XG 3980. And that's just gonna pee a little bit. Okay. Get my flash of my light out. Okay. Then we'll get the new filter in. Oh, God, I'm getting too old for this. It's only the best for this little girl. We're all purple, baby. I like this oil. Now, this is probably the most controversial part about changing oil. Do you pre-fill the filter? I do. I always have, and I'm always going to continue to do it. Because the way I see it is the quicker you can get that oil to circulate throughout your engine, the longer your engine's going to last. So, I mean, I don't put a whole lot, pre-fill it. Pre-fill it. Oh, these flies are gnarly out here. Pre-fill it. Just a bit, right? And we take our little bit of oil and put a little bit of oil on the rubber so the rubber seals. Then we go down under there and we put the new one in. And we're back under the truck again. Oh yeah, I took my camera out. Well, whatever. Took my flashlight out. You see, there it is. I'm just gonna screw her back up in there without dropping any dirt or anything in it. Yeah, you're not gonna see anything. But trust me, it's going in there. It's going on there. Yeah, it's going on there nice. Ah, you can't see squat. Yeah, my camera skills are again. I'm trying to be a good YouTuber and make content at least once a week, but when I don't get parts, I gotta make these stupid videos. Oh, this old girl's leaking everywhere. Oh, that transmission's gotta come down. It's got a rear main leak. Fucking rad's leaking. Yeah. Alright. New filter's on and snug. Now remember, don't put that on there too tight or you'll never get it off. So there is the filter. Then we can put the plug back in. Take the oil plug. You can put the oil plug back in. Where's that camera? There. You can put this plug back in. And we can start putting new oil in it. Oh. Yeah. Can you see? Because I can't. There. Where's that hole? Right there. Terrible. Okay. Get that on there, tighten it up, and get some oil on it. And only the best for this little girl. Some purple 530. Drink up, my pretty. Glug, 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 glug. So that takes about 4.5 of these, about 5 of these. And I'll bring you back when she's full. And now the part that I always hate about doing an oil change. We want to watch the oil pressure gauge here when we turn it on. We're going to fire the engine up and we're going to run it until the gauge comes up. That means the system's got lube. And because what's going to happen is when you put oil in it, it's going to fill up to a level, then you're going to run it, circulate the oil, and the oil level's going to drop quite a bit. Then you want to top more oil up in your system. So now we fire it up and we watch that oil pressure gauge. And up she goes. And we can shut her down. See, it took a little while to get up there. That's because the system was drained. That's a good thing. So then we go, we let her sit for a little while, and then we pull the stick on it. That's pretty much it. That's pretty much it. I mean, oil changes are pretty easy, and people spend a lot of money at those lube shops, and them quick lube boys are pretty abusive to your car. Yeah. I just sat about 10 minutes. So, we're gonna stick the stick in there and have a look at the stick. You can see the stick there. I could use about a half a jug. And I should have enough. 5 in there, 5.5 quart. You'll be able to see. Yeah, it should be alright. Half a jug. You really don't want to overfill an engine, even though nowadays if you do, it'll just blow it out and then suck it back in. Olden day engines, if you put too much oil in it, it'll get too much pressure in the bottom end and it will blow a main seal, which is not fun. Okay, oil is done. Check it here in a bit. But I want to put some more coolant in it because I think I'm running a little bit low. I know it says never open hot, and I did run around the block a couple times, but the system's pretty low. I don't think I'm going to be in danger of it blowing up in my face. Yeah, there's no pressure in there. And she's pretty much empty. Okay, grab me a jug. A little bit of Dexkill, GM engines. And I just put it in there straight. It doesn't hurt nothing. And I don't have distilled water. Something that I'd like somebody to explain to me. Why is it when you buy a jug of antifreeze and it's pure antifreeze, it's cheaper than buying a premix, which is half antifreeze, half distilled water? That's something you got to explain to me. So when you buy the distilled stuff, the stuff that's already pre-mixed, you're getting half, basically, and half water. You're basically paying more for water. Stupid. Woo! And I'm too cheap for that, so I just buy the straight stuff. Yeah, that's good enough for me. And yes, I keep a jug of this in my truck. Well, that's kind of it. That's it for this stupid video. So again, it's been about 10 minutes. Pull the stick out, clean her off. We'll see if we gotta add more. I think I got her bang on this time. Oh yeah, look at that. Couldn't be any more perfect than that. Can you even see it? Yeah, right at the top there. Right on, right on. Actually, I almost forgot. There is one more liquid that I do want to change, or check. I want to check my tranny fluid. But for that, you need the engine running. Oh, turned it off. That was smart, huh? Okay. know that Chinese leaking. I know it's got a pump leak on it, so I was gonna check and make sure the joints are running an old truck. And we're looking. Oh, we're looking pretty. Right on. Right between cold and hot. It's not quite hot, so she's perfect right there. Yeah, take this out of here. Slam in the hood. The doctor is on vacation. Yeah, see? See? I never change oil without making a mess. Look, got it all over the floor. Dag nabbit. And now we get to play. Let's see how much more oil we can spill. My least favorite job about changing oil is doing this. Yep, I can't even see it. Oh my god, I'm making a big mess. Well, I'm gonna work on this and I'm gonna sign off. It's another dumb video, but hey, you know what? I'm trying to make some content and get some entertainment out there. Alright, bye bye.